Payment settings on UCX. To view the UCX platform fees, from Sales Admin panel, select Orders on Application menu and click Payment settings on left-hand menu. The Payment Settings section shows up the payment gateway assigned. Regular sellers will see listed the UCX payment gateway, which uses Stripe as the payment processor. Sellers of CBD products will have the CBD payment gateway assigned. This payment gateway uses NMI as a payment processor. The section of transaction fee shows up the fee which will be applied for any sale made on your channel. This transaction fee includes a small percentage of a total transaction and a minimum fixed fee. You can see the transaction fee applied for each transaction on Commissions table. For products you sell through your agents, you are able to transfer the transaction fee to them. To transfer the transaction fee to your agents, go to Pricebook Settings and enable the option on Restrictions section. The section of Payout Fee shows up the fees which will be applied when a payout is generated from UCX to the seller account. This fee includes a small percentage and a minimum fixed amount from the total payout generated. Click Payouts on left-hand menu to view the payouts generated. Payouts gets generated based on the default frequency which is set to happen on monthly basis, on the 15th of each month. This setting can be changed upon seller's request. The current balance box shows the total amount of all verified payments for the current month. The next payout box shows the draft payout which is set to happen. The last payout amount is shown on previous payout box. Recent payouts generated with their details are listed on All Payouts section.